Okay, we need to smell that out.
Yeah, that's it.
You mad? Fuck you, no plan.
Puppy win!
Fuck.
Puppy win. Oh, they stormed the stage!
Your hat's gone. Ooh.
Jesus Christ. Did we only have
Nope, I didn't get down and
I
start.
wonder if you can turn this. Oh yeah, look at that.
You're so smart and sexy, no doubt.
Thanks. I knew it.
Like how
But that's
you
not
can
relevant right
rotate
now.
By...
Okay, Sass.
Yeah, I hate you.
He was laying down on the ground and he just like killed me. Okay, I see.
Let go!
Why you both have it?
Oh fuck
Get
you,
the fuck out of
dude!
here, not
Oh
us.
my god.
What the fuck? Fork came from so far
Oh,
away.
my bad. I just started swinging, man, you know?
Are you serious? I hate Nut Hunt so much. Never played long enough to see it. Yeah, I didn't buy the game.
Okay, I'm. Feel free to kill me, but
What the fuck was that?
Did you die? You died,
Yes.
right?
Yes?
Yeah, we both died. We fucking whooped
I
each
don't
other's
get him.
ass. That's
Oh my
incredible.
fucking god.
Okay, I
Insanity.
gave you the.
Ah, sorry, no plan, it's
Do
over.
this to me.
Fuck.
Did I do that?
I'm dying in the fire.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
I didn't know that was
Oh my god, Ford.
Ford,
Ford,
you gotta throw
I'm getting monkey moded now.
No, the goal is to throw him away from the fire for it.
violence.
There's a bomb in the fire.
You just happened to
But
Why in the fire? Why?
Help! Alright. Clock me in the back of the head.
Okay.
What
What is he doing to him?
Pretty good. That's pretty good.
It's never been done before.
It had. It literally was the last one. I'm dead because of that banana peel. Fuck
You're
off.
welcome. You're welcome, Homo.
I hate you. He was a Captain Planet villain.
Dude, I'm just
Don't
trying
do
to
it
enjoy
to
my
win.
coffee. Can you fuck off?
Don't worry, I get that.
submarine.
You are dead, Sans. You are dead.
Why is this happening?
Oh my god, it's eating him. Jesus
Oh shit, he's
fucking Christ.
invisible.
That's the shit that-
Where you going for it?
Yeah, I'm dead. No, I'm controlling the submarine now. Ford be like, why do you need the bombs? Why do you need the bombs, Ford? That's why.
If it gets in the pit, then yeah.
That's why it's just.
It's
Ford,
quite
steal it.
difficult.
There's
to
two
do.
No,
pits.
it's not. It's actually easy.
It's so it's free actually. Gorillas
I'm cold.
notoriously cannot swim.
That's true.
Jesus, Kiko.
Yeah, man.
What is this cat eating? What? What?
I didn't get it.
What is that? No plan like did that with his mind.
Threw you around.
Oh no.
Oh, I thought that bomb was active, man.
Now.
It is now.
Wow.
Puppy
800
power.
IQ right there.
No plan.
I'm honestly surprised you didn't recover from that somehow.
No!
No.
No.
Babies win. Babies win.
Puppy picture. Puppy picture.
Hey, is Kiko
Oh,
alright?
imagine how fluffy it is.
I bet it feels good as fucking there.
Easily.
What the fuck?
Catch, what the fuck happened there?
Oh, get me up, get me up. You have ultra cancer, dude.
He's got AIDS.
Can you legitimately like fucking?
Why did I get double flying kick? Like, what was that?
Because I just learned how
Oh,
to do
no,
it.
no, no. Yeah, yeah.
Woo! That was funny, no doubt.
You ran inside and slipped on a banana peel. Did my bomb do that?
That's
Okay.
not even the. That's not even the line.
I know.
Mop.
Got an ice cube.
Oh my god, no!
Oh my god.
Stop, he's dead.
Spime, you fucking gorilla lip retard. Look at this cunt.
I
Try
not
not to laugh.
Oh, look at this guy.
Okay.
Bobby with a
God.
bat.
Bobby with the bat. Who's he gonna be?